welcome to another video. I must stay for some days in another apartment, so I use the opportunity to show you this little apartment in my condo complex. It's a smaller one, it's about 40 square meters with a small kitchen cell, big fridge, freezer, oven, rice cooker, water cooker, several pans, and same in like my old apartment. This is drinking water. This is free, and this is normal water you should not use for cooking. This is the living room. Big TV. This thing we call in German Sitzknuff. I don't know the English word, but it's comfortable if you're sitting on your mobile and just enjoy your time. Big sofa couch. And wooden and marble furniture. This is my sleeping room. Big bed, small table, big cupboard, so nothing to complain. From here you can see already your balcony, but you cannot go outside from here. In my other apartment you can open this and then you have a second door, but here not. Here you can imagine already the view, but I will show you later. So let us go into the bathroom. Bigger bathroom, big shower, rainfall shower, normal shower, toilet as usual, washing area. Here I have another room. This one is for all the stuff you don't want to show to other people. And a washing machine and dryer. So the best thing, as always, is the big balcony and the view. The view is still awesome. This is one floor down from my apartment. My apartment is one floor up and to the left. Also some things for drying clothes. The sunset is always behind the Bangkok Tower. Over there is the Bhumuningrad Hospital, international hospital, really good hospital. So let us go back. So I hope you like my little room tour. I will put the price in the subtitles so you can see, and that's my little apartment for the next days. And always, if you don't know me, it would be awesome if you like, subscribe, and give me some comments on my videos. This makes me always happy. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.